Okay, evaluating an inverse function. So in this case, we have sine inverse or arcsine of a negative ratio. So we have negative square root of 2 over 2. So in this sense, what I always like to do is I like to visualize this in terms of sine as opposed to sine inverse. So I'm just going to set this equal to a dummy variable like an x and rewrite this in terms of sine. So if I apply a sine to each side, what that's going to do on the left-hand side is eliminate the sine inverse, leaving us with this negative ratio. And on the right-hand side, this will give us sine of x. So in this sense, what we're looking for is what angle do we plug into sine that's going to produce this ratio. Now, the square root of 2 over 2 is a pretty common ratio to come out. What we should be thinking is, well, let me see, that comes out when we plug in 45 degrees, or in radian measure, pi over 4. However, because this one is negative, what we can do with sine and with tangent, when you have a negative ratio on the inside here for sine inverse, what we can do is simply make this angle a negative. Now it's going to be different with cosine, and we'll see some examples of that in a second, but the angle that we would need to plug into sine to produce a negative square root of 2 over 2 is going to be negative pi over 4. All right, hope this helps out. Good luck.